Hi, Daddy. It's me, Molly. I wanted to do something special for you this year for Father's Day. So I asked Janet to help me find you something really unique. We hope you like your Father's Day surprise. This song is especially for you, my daddy. Will you listen to this simple little tune? It's a happy Father's Day wish that I dedicate to you. And I hope that on your very special day, all the wishes that you wish for will come true in every way. My loving Daddy, you're the kind of best friend that all pets would love. Surely our relationship was destined from above. So I'd like to tell you just exactly why I love you unconditionally. I just hope I don't cry. From the day we first met, you have been so great. I'm so lucky that you chose me as your puppy dog soulmate. Though I'm limited in ways I can repay all the love and tender care you show me each and every day. My special Daddy, I can only tell you that it's really true. Every time I sit and stare at you, I'm saying I love you. Happy Father's Day, my daddy and my friend. My gratitude and loyalty to you will never end. Happy Father's Day, Daddy, with all my love. Daddy, you are my best friend in the whole world. Please cherish this video memory forever and always keep a place in your heart for me.